Are you ready to quit smoking, or are you thinking about it? You are absolutely in the right place. Today, I'll be sharing 10 tips to help you quit smoking. We'll go through a step-by-step guide to support you through this life-changing journey. Congratulations on taking the first vital steps, considering quitting, and by watching this video. I hope I can support you in any way possible, no matter how small. This is MedScience Simplified. I'm Dr. Ziki. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Find your reason why. Think about why you really want to stop smoking. It should be something that really means a lot to you. Maybe you want to keep your family safe from secondhand smoking, get healthier, or just feel and look better. Or you just want to stick around to see your kids and grandkids grow. This big reason will keep you going even when it gets hard, and it will get hard. The truth is, quitting smoking is hard, but it's possible and you can do it. Keep your reason simple, 1 to 2 things, no more. That way, it's easier to remember when you really feel the craving to smoke. Write them down on a sticky pad and put it somewhere you will see it a lot, on the fridge, bathroom mirrors, walls around the house, or your office desk. You can even set periodic reminders on your phone. These little things can help you stick to your plan when you're finding it really tough. Tip number 2, set your quit date. Picking a day to quit smoking is a big deal. It's when you promise yourself to start afresh. To really commit, you need to choose a specific quit date. Think about a day within a week or 2. That way, you've got enough time to prepare without giving yourself the chance to back out. If an important date like a birthday or anniversary falls within that 1 to 2 weeks when you decide, use that date as a landmark that holds a great significance in your life for this quit journey. How about this? Why not share your quit dates in the comments below? Let's cheer each other on and form our own support group right here to help each other through this journey. Tip number 3, prepare for quit day. Once you've chosen your quit day, it's time to prep. Clear out all distractions, cigarettes, lighters, ashtrays from your space, anything that reminds you of smoking, literally. Trash them. That way, you won't have anything around that could give you the subconscious urge to smoke. Add in some aids like chewing gum, munching on carrots, and nicotine replacement therapy like nicotine gums, nicotine patches can be very helpful. Research shows that using a combination of this nicotine replacement therapy and aids is more effective for quitting than using just one alone. And remember, your doctor can be on your team in this quit journey. They can suggest best options for you, including prescription medications like Wellbutrin and varenicline. This can help make smoking less tempting and soften your withdrawal symptoms. These treatments can be very helpful, so talk with your healthcare provider and bring them on board on this quit journey. Tip number 4, get support. Rally your supporters. Remember, quitting smoking is a journey. You don't have to travel alone. Joining a support group, using resources from websites attached to the description of this video. All these can be your toolkit for success on this life-changing path. Don't overlook the power of personal network. Family and friends can be your rock, and joining a support group can give you a community to lean on when things get hard, as they will. Consider behavioral therapy as well. It's a solid strategy for identifying triggers and maintaining your commitment to quit smoking. Tip number 5, stay active. Now, once you've quit, I'd encourage you to stay active. Exercise is a proven way to reduce stress and the urge to smoke. Whether it's walking, swimming, or a full gym workout, staying active can distract you from that cigarette cravings. Tip number 6, avoid triggers. It's important to recognize what makes you want to smoke and try to avoid them. Is it alcohol? Is it stress? Or habitual smoking after meals? It's important to try and find alternatives, or even better, try to avoid these triggers altogether. Tip number 7, stress management. Addressing stress is key to quitting smoking, even if it's challenging. Stress is a common trigger. Behavioral therapy is a good way to replace that urge to smoke with more productive and healthy behaviors. It's also helpful to practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga, whatever works for you. Keep in mind that while smoking might feel good during stress, it doesn't truly reduce your stress. Here's an interesting twist on meditation. Did you know that when you smoke, the deep breaths you take can be a kind of unplanned meditation session? It's true. The deep breathing in and out can induce a state of relaxation just like meditation. These may contribute to the addictive nature of smoking. So when you consider meditation as part of your quitting strategy, you can retain the mindfulness practices without the harm from smoking. Tip number 8, celebrate small victories. Celebrate every smoke-free day. Each day is an absolute victory. Treat yourself for reaching these milestones, even if it's a day, a week, a month, just to stay motivated. Did you know the benefits begin just 20 minutes after quitting as your heart rate starts to normalize? Within 48 hours, carbon monoxide leaves your body and your blood oxygen levels normalize. Your lungs start to clear its mucus. Your sense of taste and smell sharpens. After a year of quitting smoking, your heart attack risk drops by about 50% compared to smokers. And after a decade, your lung cancer mortality risk cuts by half compared to smokers. These are significant positive benefits. Tip number 9, try and try again. Stay prepared for relapses. If you relapse, be gentle to yourself. It's part of the process. It's not a failure. Each attempt is a step forward, and this journey is different for everyone. It is common for people to try multiple times before quitting for good. Use any relapses as a learning experience to identify triggers and strategize for the future. This journey is about growth and perseverance. Celebrate your courage in taking this first step and continue to strive for a smoke-free life. Tip number 10, keep the end goal in mind. Keep your eyes on the prize. You are not only quitting smoking, you're reclaiming your health, your vitality, your finances, while extending your life. I assure you, this will rank among the greatest achievements in your life, and I have faith in you. If you're looking for encouragement, drop a comment. I'm here. Let's talk and support each other through this journey. To wrap this up, the road to a smoke-free life is tough, but it's absolutely possible with perseverance, quality resources, and a positive mindset. For further assistance, I've added some very resourceful website links to the video description. Please feel free to share your journey in the comment section to inspire those at the cusp of making this life-changing choice. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.